guys, Fuzzy back. We've got a new apartment tour video, so let's start right here. The front gate and apartment here. And come in the front door, and we have the kitchen. So here is the kitchen area. I had to purchase this stovetop. It's used, but I bought it for $20 and put a gas tank in for $30. Got the water set up, a sink, got some dishes and a rack. Got some nice cabinets with glass doors. And here's the bathroom area with a Western style toilet and sink and a hot shower. Also, this kitchen is separated from the bedroom area and living area by another glass door. And the living area this apartment comes fully furnished with the TV. Came with a big fan, energy efficient aircon, mood lighting, and a glass back door. A huge bed. This is a king size bed. Got a nice divan style sofa and big wooden table. Got a mirrored closet. My computer's set up. Big mirror in front of the bed. And the refrigerator is in here because there's a plug right there that it can plug into, whereas there isn't one in the kitchen that's going to work real well. And this is the little back balcony area, which isn't really much. It's just a big wall right here, but there's nothing on the other side. There isn't a hotel there, but there's nothing looking down in my direction. It's a pretty nice place. And from this side, it's really a pretty nice apartment, and you will not believe, absolutely will not believe what I'm paying for this. This apartment is as big as my last apartment, separated living area and kitchen, which is awesome. Can't tell you how good that is. And with this energy efficient air conditioner, I can cool this area a whole lot better and a whole lot cheaper. And it's cooler because it's on the bottom floor and there's nobody above me, so I'm not getting steamed out in here. It's so much cooler that I just had to move here. I was just burning up in my other apartment. I am paying $120 per month for this apartment, fully furnished and no lease. I have no lease. It's month by month. $120, folks. It doesn't get much better than that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to let you see the new apartment. Hope you enjoyed that video, and I have more coming.